The production and consumption data of your PV system is displayed visually in Solar.web. If you want to have this data not displayed visually but as a table of figures, then you can create so-called reports and download them as Excel files or CSV data. This data can then be used as an attachment for your tax returns, for example, or also as a comparison with the billing of your net operator. How to create these reports you will find out in this video. If you want to create a report, click in Solar.web on Reports. And then click on Create New Report. Here you can choose the report type. This type can either be PV production, so in this case you will find the daily production per inverter and also the overall system production. At energy balance total, you will see the energy balance on a daily basis. So you will see the production, the own consumption, as well as how much into the grid was fed in and how much was taken from the grid. Energy balance watt pilots shows where the watt pilots took the energy from, so either from the grid, from the roof, or from the battery. The subsidy report for storage system also includes data on the storage, so how much was stored at the battery and how much was taken from it. The last option, a custom report, is only available in Solar.web Premium. Here a report can be created individually. File format can either be Excel format or CSV data, and the generation goes automatic or manually. If it goes automatic, then an interval can be set, after which time this report should be produced again and again. Here you can choose between monthly, weekly and daily. Afterwards, click OK to set your report configuration. The reports are then sent to the email addresses that are set in the system. If you want to change those email addresses, click on Settings and go to Contacts. Here you can add an additional email address or change an existing one. If you're adding any email address, add the email address in the first bar and then make sure that the tick at Receive Reports is set. Only if this tick is set, then reports will be sent to this email address. Click on OK and you are finished.